Yo, I'm cruising on Chrome with a brand new tool. Common Connect Web Clipper, now that's the jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Sending data to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Flows tight, automation's the key. From Slack to WhatsApp, I set it up with glee. Just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. Pabbly's got my back, no need to feel queasy. Pabbly Connect Flipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fix. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Hit the Chrome store, download, let's go. Add that extension, now I'm in the flow. Manage webhooks, set the URL in tow. Trigger events, watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs I see, just select the text and its history. Google Sheets is waiting, it's also free. Pabbly Connect, making life so breezy. Flipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fix. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep. Dates and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly-mation time. I'm legit. Pabbly-mation time. Pabbly-jit. Pabbly Connect Flipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit.